In this video, I'll be showing you how to schedule a ride on board. To schedule a ride means to book a ride ahead or to book a ride right now and embark on it later. Now on your phone, come and tap and open your boat app. If it opens, it brings you to the app interface. And now let me say, for instance, you'll be going to the airport on the 30th of May, but you want to book the ride now and schedule for it and wait. How do you do it? It's very simple. Now you can see this feature here later. You can tap on it, or you can see right here. You can see schedule or book ahead. You can see. So just come here on this feature here later and tap on it. If you tap on it, then you add your location where you want the boat driver to pick you on that day and also your destination. So you can come here, for instance, and put your location. Tap here. Now let me say on that day you will be at Beggar Bridge. You can come right here and enter your location where you want the boat to pick you. Beggar Bridge. It's a public place. Or Beggar bus stop. Select location. Then come here and enter your destination. Airport. Nnamdi Azikiwe Airport. You can see here domestic airport. You can select it. So right now you can see they will show you here confirm your destination. So tap on this confirm, which is airport, and it brings you here select pickup time. So you come here and select pickup time and the date. As I said, date is 30th. You plan to go to the airport, so come here and select the date. Tap here, then come here and select 30th. Tap on OK. Then it brings you to this pop-up to set your time. Let me say the time is 10 a.m. in the morning. So come here and select 10:30. It's on AM already. Tap on this OK. You can see that right now you have selected. You can see here on the 30th, and by 10 a.m. the driver should come and pick you at Beggar bus stop. You can see, and you can see here estimated drop-off time from where they will pick you to the airport is 11:03. You can see, right? So after that, you can tap on this continue. Then it will now process and bring you here. You can see how would you like to pay. You can see add card. So tap here and then fill in your card information. Put your card number and the whole thing and tap on this add card, which means that you'll be paying through card. And I think for the scheduling of ride, it's only the card option that is here, because I can't see the cash option. It's like you must pay through card. So if you add your card information, then add card, then proceed and then confirm or schedule your ride. Thanks for watching and bye.